Okay, here's my little guys. I'm going to just catch a little video of them. There's only 4 left. Here's my little tiger lily. She's my favorite. She's my favorite girl. Friends with Pixie. These are Matilda's babies, the ones that are left over from Matilda. So cute. Some of my little bantams are coming down to visit. These little guys live on the other side of the fence. I've been helping them to survive because the neighbors killed their mother and 4 of the babies. They were just little tiny little nursing ones. You know, they're getting almost old enough to take care of themselves. I'm hoping these little guys will make it. The little Serama bantams, with a little tiny bit of sea bright. That's why that one has they went outside the fence. These little guys come from the forest. They come out from the back of the forest, and some animal agencies have been helping to feed them. Oh, little baby, that's a little boar. He's the one that's leading them. They're 8 weeks old. My battery's gonna run out. I wish Tiger Lily would look over here. There's a little boar. There's 2 little boars, one golden, one black, and 2 little females. Tiger Lily and another little black girl. They just, after they eat, they just take off. And, oh, I guess he's going to take a nap. Kind of cute, isn't it? He's so cute. Little guy. To get a video of him before the neighbors capture him and kill him. There's my hands. There's my hands. Beautiful girls. There's my other ones taken off over there. Yeah. Wish they'd look this way. The battery's about to go.